Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, we are outdoors. We are cooking spicy chicken with peppers in a watermelon. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. And those of you who haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do like, share and subscribe. Keep on watching until the end. Garlic, salt, chilies, onion, salt, arno, black pepper, stock cube. Leave that to simmer. So we're going to leave this to cook for a couple of hours and then check it out. Guys, look at that. It's nearly ready. So guys, it's crunch time. I've got my rice here. I believe the chicken is ready. Let's dish up. Ooh. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Let's have a taste. Guys, the meat is so tender. The flavors, the colors, it's absolutely amazing. And there's something the watermelon does. You can't describe it. You just have to taste it. So good. So we left this in here for about 2 hours, and oh my god, the chicken is just like melting in your mouth. I highly recommend this dish. Guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.